My pressure machine for cooking and my panini press sit under a lower cabinet, so it's really hard for me to pull them out to do the cooking, whether if I wanna fill in the water or like cook the meat and chicken in my pressure machine. It's really hard to maneuver it. So I've got this appliance tray that has fabric material from the top that is so easy to clean. Also, it comes with a manual. It has 8 wheels on the back, and you can rotate them so that this tray can maneuver in different directions. It has brakes, so these brakes will release it to maneuver it backward or forward. Also, you can twist those wheels in different direction so you can maneuver it in the other direction. Whether you want to maneuver it this way or that way, it's super easy and it's very simple steps. If you like lock one of the brakes and release the other one, it will swing like in a half moon shape, making it easier for you to take out your stuff while the tray is still fixed in the place itself, like that, as you can see in this video. That's how you release it, and this is how you break it in. This is how it looks like under my pressure machine, pressure cooker, and that's how I slide it out. Super easy, it's really nice, and this tray can hold up to 110 pounds because it's made of reinforced plastic. Look at it, super easy to maneuver. I really like it and I hope you like it too, and thank you for watching this video.